Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter billable time for employees and contractors in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for tracking work hours that you'll eventually invoice to clients, ensuring you capture every billable minute and maintain accurate project costs. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options available to manage your business finances. Now look at the left navigation menu and click on Time. This section is dedicated to managing all time tracking activities for your team members. From here, you'll be able to access the integrated time tracking features that QuickBooks offers. Next, click Launch QuickBooks Time to open the app that's built right into QuickBooks Online. This was formerly known as T-Sheets, and it's now seamlessly integrated to make time tracking and billing much more efficient. Once the app opens, you'll have access to all the time management tools you need. In the QuickBooks Time interface, go to the left menu and click Time Entries. This is where you'll view and manage all recorded time for your employees and contractors. It gives you a clear overview of who's worked when and on what projects. Now click the plus Add Time button to create a new time entry. This opens up a form where you'll input all the relevant details for the billable hours you're recording. Start by selecting the employee or contractor name for whom you're adding time. Use the drop-down menu to choose the correct team member. This ensures the time is attributed to the right person in your system. Next, enter the date and hours worked. You can either input the total hours directly or specify start and end times if you prefer more precision. This flexibility allows you to record time in whatever format works best for your workflow. Now comes the important part for billing. Select the customer or project this work was done for, then choose the service performed. This links the time entry directly to the client who will be billed for this work, making invoicing much simpler later. Here's the key step: select Yes on the Billable dropdown. This marks the time as billable, which means it will appear when you create an invoice for that customer. Without this setting, the time won't transfer to your invoices. Finally, click Save to record the time entry. The billable hours are now logged in your system and ready to be added to your next client invoice. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.